Hi guys, welcome back to Beae video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use the filter element of Beae Shopify Page Builder. What is filter element? Filter allows you to display the predetermined collection and search filter from Shopify dashboard on your collection page template. This video will walk you through all the main settings of the element so you can customize and adjust it. Let's use and optimize the filter element of Beae to the fullest. Let's get started. I will show you the most detailed UX of Beae filter element. First, go to template, choose collection, then create the section. Go to the element. Drag and drop the filter element to the desired position. Click on the filter element. The right side of the screen will appear Content tab, Style tab, and Advanced tab. Content tab, you can change title. Select the design for the display of the filter. You can also choose Enable Color Swatching or Collage on mobile and tablet. Similarly, in the filter card, you can also choose Show Number Count, choose Color Filter Value, or Show as Accordion. Alternatively, you can also change the title and choose Show at full width or Show button clear all. Filter selected allow you to change the text of the selected filter. Filter reset allows you to change the text of the filter reset button. Finally, the preset will have some built-in Beae filter template. You can use them or upload by your own template in myself. In Style tab, you can customize filter card, apply filter, price range. First, with filter, to attract more customers, you can change the background and customize box shadow border. Width allow you to change the width of the filter. Responsive mode is available for on device. Border radius. This option allow you to change the filter border radius. With spacing, you can also customize the spacing of the filter and its label, thus increasing, decreasing the size of the filter. To make the title stand out more, I will customize the text color, typography, and text shadow for the title. Second, in the filter card, you can customize the style of the option name, option label, and number counter. Typography will allow you to customize the font, size, weight, and more. Text color allow you to change the text color of the option text. Text shadow allow you to control text shadow setting, which enable you to pick color, create blur effect, and to set horizontal and vertical position in conjunction with the text. I will make detailed customization of rest for you to better understand how to use. In the Advanced tab, you can customize spacing, background, border, responsive, animation and attribute. Margin spacing. Margin is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between the section and column. And you also can customize the width for the filter element. This filter can also set position. However, according to Beae note here, it's not considered best practice for responsive web design and should not be used too often. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a feature to sticky on top, this filter will always stick to the top and will not disappear when pulled down. Hopefully, if you do stick at the bottom, that filter will always stick to the bottom. In addition, you can also vertically align to the left, right, or center of the filter. Similarly, I will also customize this element when the filter is displayed on mobile. To make the filter more prominent, you can change the background here, or add a border and box shadow. Responsive allows filter to display on top, desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If you check high on desktop, this filter will only be displayed on tablet and mobile, or vice versa. You can also customize the effect when the filter appears. This can be displayed right on the page, or run from the top to bottom, from the right, from the left, or from the variety of different appearance. Let's customize them in the engine animation. In addition, you can also optimize the filter appearance effect in the animation direction, animation delay, and iteration animation sections. Finally, attribute will allow you to deeply intervene in the code of filter element. This session will be for those of you who want to design professionally. Alright, that's all for you to need about the section of Beae. So thank you for watching video. If you have any question, feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.